Hi, my name is Laura Sanchez, and today we are going to be making white chocolate chip cookies. The very first ingredient we're going to need is flour. And we need 2 1/4 cups of flour. I have a 3/4 cup measure, and so I'm going to use 3 3/4 cup measures to equal 2 1/2 cups. The next thing we need is baking soda, and we are going to need 1 teaspoon of baking soda. I have a 1/2 teaspoon measure, so I'm going to use 2 1/2 teaspoons to make 1 whole teaspoon. And of course, I'm going to sift my baking soda. The next ingredient we need is salt, 1 teaspoon of salt. Again, using my 1/2 teaspoon measure, so I need 2. Now we are just going to mix these dry ingredients together, and then we are going to set the bowl aside. With the second larger bowl, we're going to mix our next ingredients. We need 1 cup of butter or 1 cup of margarine. Today I'm going to use a cup of margarine, so that's 2 sticks of margarine. And it needs to be softened, so I'm going to put it in the microwave for probably 30-40 seconds. Okay, that was 30 seconds. It melted just a little, but it's totally fine. And now I'm going to need 3/4 cup of sugar. And I'm also going to need 3/4 cup of brown sugar. And as you may recall, you're gonna wanna pack that brown sugar down, just like you do for most other recipes. And you can get light brown sugar or dark brown sugar. It does not make a difference. Okay, so now we're just gonna cream these 3 ingredients together. And now I'm going to add 2 eggs. If you're like me and not very good at cracking eggs, just put them in a separate teacup or something and then pour them in. Okay, now I need 1 1/2 teaspoons of vanilla. So I have my 1/2 teaspoon measure from earlier. So I'm going to use 3 1/2 teaspoon measures to equal 1 1/2 teaspoons. And now we're just gonna mix this together. And we're going to pour in the flour mixture from earlier. All right, and the last ingredient is white chocolate chips, and you need 2 cups of white chocolate chips. This bag is 2 cups, so I'm not going to measure it. So beautiful. Just mix it all together. Okay. Your cookie dough is ready. All right, so make sure your oven is preheated at 350 degrees, and you're going to put them in the oven for approximately 9 to 11 minutes, just until they are a little golden on the edges, but of course not too crispy, not too dark, and enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, share. Happy baking.